Hi, for anyone new to the channel, I'm Linda.
I'm Troy, and we are Wines, Pines, and Canines. In today's video, we're going to kick off something that we hope to have as a monthly feature, Wind Up Wednesdays.
Yes, in today's video, we're going to talk about what is Wind Up Wednesdays and what we're going to be doing on these monthly videos. And we're going to talk a little bit about what's in this box and how it's going to be part of an upcoming video.
So we decided to make these videos because we found out that sometimes after we post a video, we often receive a comment or two that is very helpful on the topic and feedback from you guys. Or there's something we missed and we discover that we could have done something different. So that's kind of the focus, and that's why we're going to be making these videos.
Now, we also may just bring a helpful tip or a fun new gadget that we have discovered that isn't a video all on its own into the videos. Or we may use it to preview upcoming videos where we ask you guys what your thoughts or something we need help with. So what we're hoping is that this series is kind of a lot more interaction between us and you guys, the viewers. So in this, the inaugural Wind Up Wednesday, we're going to tie up a couple of loose ends from previous videos and give a helpful hint that we received this week. So first up is the winner of the IKEA Harbor Freight competition.
Hard to believe, yo, but my tool position beat out IKEA. It was kind of a done deal. I hate to admit it, but you did fight hard. So.
Well, thank you. Apparently, you guys value practical items versus fun items, so I will go ahead and admit defeat here, but I still like IKEA.
Yeah.
Now, second is the Harvest Host video where we went Harvest Host hopping in the Finger Lakes. There was one winery we stayed at that had a dinosaur display.
Yeah, and we asked you guys to caption a screen caption from that video and give us your feedback, and they were outstanding.
Yes, they really made us chuckle. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and show you those now. Okay, so we have 9 comments here. We really couldn't pick a winner, so here they are in no particular order. Troy, kick us off.
From RV Adventures. Dinos, grab your canine, run for the pines, then enjoy some wine.
Crafty Traveler. Feet, don't fail me now.
Cab Maker. I love fast food.
Leon, ring the bell. Which is really funny because if you watch our videos, you know Desi's always ringing that bell.
J. Charles Outdoors. I just have to run faster than you.
Susan, doggone it, please don't. Dino might eat me.
Loving Life Hitched Up says, should I drink red or white wine with humans?
Turtle 3863, must go faster. I'll do one more and then I'll let you finish it up for obvious reasons. One hot dog man says, egads.
Island Waters. Oh, no, you don't. That last breakfast burrito is mine.
And I think that's an appropriate place to end it, considering you and the breakfast burritos. So.
I do love a breakfast burrito.
Now, a viewer's tip from last week's video where we winterized the camper. This was from Rocky 19FD.
Yeah. Now, Rocky forwarded us this idea. Take an empty water bottle and take a water bottle as big as you can possibly fit, I assume, inside the plastic housing of your filter that's the inline filter in the camper. That way, the plastic water bottle displaces quite a bit of cubic volume and you don't have to use near as much antifreeze to winterize. Yes. That's really smart.
That is. And thank you, Rocky, for the tip.
In the coming weeks, we're going to do something we can't wait to do. We're going to spotlight our recent trip out west and all the great places we went.
Now, if you follow us on Instagram, you've probably already seen a few of the places we've been, but it is an extremely popular area, so we're going to try to show you the things we did and give you some tips for the area.
Yeah, and in addition to that, we're always going to be releasing videos of our projects in the camper, and we've got a few repairs to make after that trip as well.
And we are also going to be circling back to something we talked about earlier in the summer, and that is a new battery setup. We have one. We have now fully tested it. So we are going to bring you that along with some fun things that we have bought for it. And that is kind of where this box comes into play as well. So this is what's in the box. Now, we've had our eye on this for a while, but as everyone knows, the best time to buy things are near to Black Friday. So when we went out west, it kind of solidified why we wanted to buy this as a backup.
Yeah, this is a Champion 2500 watt dual fuel inverter generator. The greatest advantage to this particular generator is the fact that it is dual fuel, so it will run at slightly lowered wattage off propane, which is absolutely clutch and something that I really think will be a lot of help for us.
Yes, and it's very light. I think this thing weighs right around 40 pounds, yes. And it's fairly quiet.
It's one of the quietest on the market, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's like 53 decibels, which is quiet for a generator.
Yeah, and I've owned Champion generators in the past, and I've had very good outcomes with them, so I have nothing but optimism about it.
Yes. Now, I know that you are dying to break open this box and see what all is inside.
Yes.
So we're going to be doing that. And we will have a future video because I know there's one question that all of you that are watching right now are asking. And that is, will it run the AC? Don't know. We've heard yes, we've heard no. So
we're kind of split on the topic.
So I'm hopeful. Yeah, so.
But I'm excited about anything that produces electricity and makes coffee.
There you go. So we will have this as part of an upcoming video where we fully unbox it and do some tests on the camper to see what it will truly run. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this week's or this month's first inaugural Wind Up Wednesday.
Yeah, we want to wish you guys a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Yes, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please remember to
like and subscribe.
And Desi, he always wants you to hit that notification bell.